In this video I'll show you how to use slicers to make filtering your data much easier. I have some sample financial data that I will use in this tutorial. The first thing I need to do is to ensure my data is set up in table form. I'll make sure that I have a cell selected in the data. Then, I could click Ctrl+T and then enter. Or, I could go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and then click the Table button. You may notice that I'm now in the Design tab where I could choose Insert Slicer right here. Depending on your version of Excel, this may not be the case. If not, you can go back to the Insert tab and then choose Slicer. Once you click on the Slicer button, you'll see a dialog box that will show you all the filtering options available. These correspond to the headings of each column. For this example, I'll check Year, Country, and Region, and then click OK. I now have 3 slicers available to me. I'm going to move them over to the right so that they are not overlapping the table. I'll begin by selecting the year 2016. Now, the results in the table have been filtered so that only results from 2016 are showing. Next, I'll select Canada in the Country slicer. Now the table only shows data from Canada in the year 2016. And, if I scroll in the Region slicer, you can see that the US states are no longer available as a choice because I selected Canada. I can switch the country to USA and now the states are available as filter options in the Region slicer. Now, what if I wanted to have the year 2017 as well as 2016? If I click on 2017, the year 2016 becomes unselected. To fix this, you can see a button in the slicer heading area with 3 check marks and some lines. This is the Multi-Select option. Once clicked, I can now add the year 2016. What if you want to clear all of your filters and go back to showing all data in the table? Next to the Multi-Select option button is the Clear Filters button. If I click that, the year slicer now shows all of the years again. As you can see, slicers are a much more user-friendly way to quickly filter your data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.